In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly edit an image using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned graphic designer, this method is straightforward and effective. Let's dive right in. First, start by going to your Canva project. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, it's a versatile online design tool that lets you create stunning visuals with ease. Navigate to the project you've been working on or start a new one, depending on your needs. It's important to have your image already prepared for this process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you're in your project, select the image you want to edit. After clicking on the image, you'll notice an option to Edit. This is where the magic happens. When you click Edit, you'll see various tools that you can utilize to fine-tune your project. What we're interested in today is the Magic Eraser function, an incredibly handy feature that helps you remove unwanted parts of your image seamlessly. Next, switch your tool to Foreground within the Magic Eraser. This setting helps you identify and highlight the parts of your image that you want to focus on. As you move your brush over the image, you'll notice that the foreground elements start getting highlighted, which is exactly what we want to happen. Carefully select the area of the image that you wish to remove. The intuitive Canva interface will assist you in ensuring only the parts you want gone are selected without disturbing the rest of your image. Take your time to be as precise as possible to maintain the overall integrity of the image. Once you've highlighted the target areas, you simply need to confirm your selections and Canva will do the rest. This is where Canva's sophisticated technology really shines, as it removes the unwanted parts while retaining the natural look and feel of the image. It may take a little practice to get used to using the tool, but with patience, it becomes second nature. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully edited your image using Canva, utilizing the Magic Eraser to perfect your design. Remember, the key to effective editing is subtlety and precision. So take your time to hone these techniques. Feel free to experiment with other features in Canva to further enhance your design capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tips and tricks, and until next time, keep creating.